friends, this is your personal development teacher Instagram coach back again with the next chapter of personal development course, and which is changing color people and stable character people. So we come across various kinds of people in your daily life. Like I, as being a teacher and a personal development teacher, and soon arranging a conference and a seminar or personal development for my students who will be attending the conference. So I would be suggesting that you also may be facing various kinds of people in your daily life. And some people are very stable character who are very mature, know how to handle situations in their daily life, and they do not pretend. They be their original self wherever they may go. And they don't need to pretend, because originals never pretend. But there are some kind of people you will see, dear friends, who are very pretentious, who will always try to hide their motives inside and make out a very sweet, smiley, friendly personality, whom they are unaware that people have already known their motives and their character, their hidden plans, and they come across very friendly and show that, oh my god, they are really missing you. They want to come in touch with you, though you may be knowing their real intentions. So such kind of shameless, changing character people are in many numbers. Like I have seen, I've come across them in my whole life. Thousands of people, like I meet various parents, various kind of kids. Like kids pretend in the front of a teacher in a very different way. So the same way, these fool kind of chameleon people, whom you can say, who pretend to be very friendly, and even if you are blocking them, even if you're not connecting with them, even if you know what their intentions are, it may be harmful for you. They may not be very friendly, they may be over jealous for you, they may try to replace you, or they have intentions to replace you in some areas, and or they may hate you from inside. They feel competitive, but they still behave so friendly with you, and they behave in such a way that, oh my god, they have missed you a lot, and it's a long time you've been connecting with them. So such over smart, I can say, this chameleon kind of people, I can call them really fools, because if you know a personality, if you know their real face, the karma they have done, or the deeds they have done, their actions speak louder than words. So if you have seen them in actions in your real life, their words, their behavior, and their plans, their motives, whatever has come in front of you, like daily across, you come to go to a shop, or you do a kind of work, you meet various kinds of people, and these people interact with you in a different kind of way. But these chameleon kind of people never ever get very close to you. They do not care about your personal life, they do not care about your success, about your happiness. They just want to make connection with you with some hidden motives, and they think that some people do not know. Some people are really fools that they don't know. These over smart, chameleon kind of color changing, stupid people are coming up with some stupid plans to connect with you. So such shameless, characterless, and I can say tricksters, you can say. Like some people are really tricksters in making themselves, looking themselves good, but actually hiding their real intentions. You must have come across various kinds of people who are a very good in pretentious way. They handle situations, they handle people not in an original way. They behave, even some people live a lie. I have seen some people showing false job images, showing false like post images. I've come across some people who are not really working in that same post, but they boost themselves, they show themselves to their relatives that yes, they are so successful and they have already working in an office post or something, but which they are really not working. But they do not belong to that office or organization, and sometimes they even show their fake degrees. So such kind of, these are also chameleon kind of people, I can say, who are living a lie. So such kind of people are also there, who may be your relatives, and so you must be feeling fed up that when you come to know the truth, that these people are faking their positions before you to boost themselves up and to put you down, to show you that how good they are, how best they are, and you have achieved nothing in your life. Such kind of sick personality people are also exist in your life. So basically, such people are friends or relatives which we come across, but some kind of people are strangers also. Like what I was talking about, chameleon kind of people and stable personality people. So chameleon kind of people will always be tricksters. They will be coming up with various vicious plans to please before you and will try to connect you every way possible with some hidden motives. And they will try to pretend you to help you as if they are trying to help you in such a good way. But actually they are not. They are something else hiding inside their mind which they are not aware of that you know their plans. So now such kind of people I will call fools only. Now, next we'll come across because matured people will definitely know their plans and will safeguard themselves from such tricksters. So, it's better that such people do not play with some mature kind of people. And what can I say? That if you are matured from inside, you will come to know the real faces of such tricksters who will play with your feelings, with your dreams, and they will play with you're in a friendly manner. So never go by their tricky, sweet face. So they may be your relatives, they may be your lost friends, and they may be anyone you come across. These people have different motives and they show something different. This is very natural to them because that is how they are. And some people are very matured enough to handle themselves, to handle their emotions, to handle their the work, their actions in such a good way. They behave original, they be original, they present themselves original, whatever and whoever they are. And that is what you should do. Because a good personality person, a strong personality person will never go for a trickster personality because tricksters are weak because they think people do not know their motives, people do not know their fake office posts, or people do not know their fake office success ambitions that what they have come across. Some people call themselves principal, some people call themselves something else, some people call themselves very big officers, but which they are not. So such fake tricksters are very weak personality, but they are very scared to be exposed, so they wouldn't like to be exposed. But I think as being a personality development teacher, it's my duty to warn people of such kind of people. There must be there in their lives who will be misbehaving with them, mistreating them, and posing themselves as a very big post personality. What they are, you don't know. But actually, these people are very weak. So the strong personality people will never do that. They will be original because they do not need to fake. They be what they are. They do what they actually are doing, and they love to present that in an original way. Thank you so much for today staying with me. So this is today's episode of Personality Development. Be real, be original, and then only you can shine in your life. Because trickster can only shine for one night, and the next day their shine is gone. The tricksters will be exposed, and their plans will be exposed, and their intentions will be exposed. So never go to that weak personality, my friends. Always be strong, be yourself, and do not fake your own positions before the other people about yourself. No need to over boast about your own success and position if it is not that good. There's nothing shame in it because you are doing hard work, you are being real, and that matters the most. That what you are, what work you are doing, how real you are, and that matters because that makes you more and more strong. And some people I have seen like doing 2 or 3 walks and they jump like, oh my god, they have done such a great thing. And like I have seen many people going abroad and getting the name, fame, but they do not utter a word. They are very humble. They do not say. Even some people, some of my relatives stay far abroad and they are very humble, and they never speak also about that when they come to India to visit me and my family. So they behave very gently and very softly. But some people you will see, sometimes they go to visit abroad and they boost themselves in such a way that they feel they are the only people going abroad and nobody has ever gone abroad. And that becomes an issue to put the other person down. they challenge the other people also that I have success in my life, and I don't think going abroad is a success, because many of my relatives stays only in America and other states. But I will tell you people, if you want to be successful, so just keep on doing the good work. Staying abroad or doing over boosting yourself about some silly works you have done which the other people normally do. Some people own bungalows in outer states, like in abroad. So like some people have bungalows in Switzerland, some of my relatives have bungalows in America, but I have never boosted them in front of anyone, because I feel like this is a kind of normal thing. Many people have relatives who stay abroad, but you will see there are some people, definitely they will put the other person down by showing that they have gone abroad and they have seen the world. They have nothing more left to see. They are the only successful people in the world, and they are the only ones traveling in the plane. There were no other passengers, only him and the plane. So better don't prove yourself like a fool and boost around yourself like a stupid fool. So what I will say that really do good work, really do hard work, and earn the success medal. Be original, be yourself. There's nothing shame in doing any kind of work. And but I have seen. I will tell you one more example. When they fall, these people, when they fall, they overboost themselves. Suddenly, what happens? They try, they hide, they just run away from everywhere, from relatives and everyone, and they completely live a hidden life from the society, from their relatives, because they have nothing to boost. Nothing is left to show off and to put the others down. So don't be that. It's a very big personality example. So be strong, be yourself, and have faith in your own quality. Don't go on showing off yourself. Just do the work and thank God for everything what you have achieved, and for what you are going to achieve, what you have capacity of achieving, and always live a happy, smiley life, other than boosting yourself and putting others down and feeling the satisfaction that yes, you have proved yourself, you have shouted and proved yourself that you are the best. That doesn't make you the best, my friend. So believe, rise, shine, but do originally. Thank you so much. We'll meet with the next episode of Personal Development. I'm a personal development teacher, Snegda Mukherjee. See you soon with the next episode. Thank you.